Apple plans to launch its new iPhone 13 on September 24, 2021. This will be a 4GB RAM, 64GB internal storage variant of Apple, which will be available in various colors. Expected price of Apple iPhone 13 in Pakistan is Rs 1,94,999. Expected price of Apple in US dollars is $1,452. Apple has unveiled its upcoming iPhone 13 to the market. The company launched its 12 series in October of 2020. The 12 series was introduced a little later compared to the Apple's previous tradition of introducing new iPhones in September of each year. But the Apple iPhone 13 series should be introduced traditionally in the 9th month. The smartphone will have a chipset of Apple A14 Bionic, which is one of the most powerful chipsets, and to give more power to the device, it will have a 3.1 GHz Hexa Core processor inside. It will also have a GPU of Apple 4-core graphics. The display screen size of the smartphone will be 6.2 inches, and it will provide the user with a full HD plus the resolution of 1170 by 2532 pixels. The Apple iPhone 13 will have a Super Retina XDR OLED capacitive touchscreen display that is the latest one and well known for its outstanding results. This smartphone will also have a scratch-resistant glass with a oleophobic coating. This iPhone 13 by Apple will have 4GB of RAM, which will give this handset more power. This handset will have 16 GB of internal memory. There will be a dual camera setup in the back. The main camera is 13 megapixels and another one is also 13 megapixels. And on the front, it will have a 13 megapixel selfie camera. There will be a Face ID reader in this iPhone 13 to protect your data. It will also have an IP68 dust water resistance up to 6 meters for 30 minutes. The handset will be fueled with the 3285 mAh battery to get enough backup time, and the smartphone will also have fast battery charging. Now, Samsung and other smartphone companies will have a competitor in the market when the iPhone 13 is launched.